Hey guys, it's me, Jessica. I wanted to just do a preview video for my upcoming live stream where I'm going to be giving a live walkthrough of how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile to better your chances of having a recruiter find you and proactively reach out to you for a job opportunity. So I want to give a little preview just to talk about what I'll be covering. So the first thing that you're going to want to do whenever you're thinking about optimizing your LinkedIn profile is going to be actually looking at the type of job descriptions of the jobs that you're looking for. What type of jobs you're applying to. Pull up some job descriptions for your ideal jobs and the ones that you think your experience and education and skills is the best match for. Then I want you to take that job description, walk through that job description, pick out any KSAs that will be important. What do I mean by KSAs? I mean knowledge, skills, and abilities. So you're going to be looking for specific keywords that highlight either knowledge or education, skills, or abilities that is going to be important for those jobs. Then you're going to take those skills and identify what those skills are that you have, and you're going to actually place those into your LinkedIn profile. So that's just one thing that we're going to talk about during our live chat, where I do a walkthrough of our LinkedIn optimization so that you can have better chances of having an actual recruiter reach out to you instead of you always doing all the heavy lifting with searching for jobs and applying to those jobs. It can be a lot, right? Why not just get on LinkedIn, build a great profile for yourself, and let the recruiters do some of that work for you and find that job and bring them right to you. All right, so we're going to talk about that soon. I hope to see you. We're going to talk about that on June 25th. So I hope to see you there. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.